So this is my life in the village. The village of Giehun, Lugbu Chiefdom.
Fatima, if we have this diamond, they will go with you in Kenya. They want to go Kenya.
She's really determined.
She always tells me that one. So Papa, anytime you see diamond, big one, John will not leave me here. I say, no problem, wait. If you see big diamond, you will go with John. Yeah.
Sure.
I want to go with you.
By His grace.
So that's one will be fine.
Hey, the insects, the ants.
The ants, yeah.
Sorry.
They came here for this. They came here for this. Yeah, the banga. They want to talk to my country. That is why they do.
But usually during the dry season is the time for harvesting the banga.
Yeah.
Okay. During the rainy season, you can maybe get only some little banga.
Yeah. During the dry season, they will harvest it. Gently.
Somebody's oranges are just falling down.
The white one. Now everybody going to the camp. Only the dry season. Daddy, what? Yeah, them process the banga. Yes.
After cooking, how they take it here.
See the native fish. You like this?
These ones, they are too tiny.
You like that one?
No, they are very small.
It's very sweet.
No, I like the big fish,
The big fish.
where I can remove the bone separately. These ones, the bone will be, they will hurt me, they will injure my mouth.
That one is sweet. We catch them with the fishing pot.
Oh, that small pot I saw your neighbor was selling.
Yes. Catch them with that one.
Okay. This one.
Yeah, this one.
This.
Right. Yeah, we catch them.
Wow, this is the fishing pots.
Fishing pot.
For catching the small sardines.
Yes.
So for this one,
It's the food for
they
the
are
fish.
putting the cassava.
Yeah.
Okay. So where will the fish enter?
Here.
Through the holes.
Yeah, this is the road.
Okay, okay.
They enter here. Yes,
So once they enter, no coming out again.
At all. At all.
Okay. So another processing plant for the banga. Okay. But for now, the processing of the banga is on commercial break
Yeah.
because of the rainy season.
This is another one again, but this is already finished.
Mm.
Yeah. This farm is more than 5 miles.
Mm.
More than 5 kilometers.
Okay.
This one.